Welcome to the channel. I am going to show how to install RubyMine on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS for Ruby programming development. So let's get started. Follow this video instructions to the end. At first, you have to check your JDK by this command Java version. If it not installed, you have to install first this one, then download RubyMine from this website jetbrains.com. Here this is RubyMine. Then click on download button and uh, download this one, and then after completing download, go inside download folder, this one RubyMine 2020 12. Then unzip this one. You can unzip this by command line terminal or this archive manager. Extract here home folder, home directory, then extract. Then go to home directory. Here RubyMine 2020, it's not needed. This one, go into this folder, then open terminal, or you can access this by cd command, cd RubyMine, then go inside bin, cd bin, this one. By this file you can install RubyMine by this command sudo chmod +x rubymine.sh, then enter password. Then sudo this, then hit enter. Wait some time. Let I confirm that I have read and accept the terms of this user agreement. You read this user agreement, then confirm, click continue. If you want to share this anonymous statistics, then send or don't send. Now you can choose a default plugin or skip remaining and set defaults. Then default plugins here. If you do not want to install this one, then click here, skip remaining and set default. If you have a activation license key, then here activate RubyMine, then here username password, or you can use a free evaluate here, then click on evaluate. It is for 3 days validity. Now you can here configuration. You can create a desktop entry, create desktop entry by this, and you can search here RubyMine. RubyMine. For this, you have create desktop entry, create the entry for all users. Okay. Now you can find RubyMine on applications. Yeah, this one. The next video I will show how to set Ruby runtime interpreter with this RubyMine. So viewers, if you like this video, then like this video and subscribe this channel and share your feelings by commenting. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you very much.